What's going on? Okay. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison if you are new. And before we jump into today's video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, join the family. I'd love to see you guys here next week. Today I'm sharing with you what is in my pool/beach bag, and this is the bag that I have currently. It is a Billabong backpack, and I know it's not like technically one of those cute fancy little beach bags. And yes, I'm pretty sure this is my backpack that I had in high school like eons ago, but we're just going with it. So first off, I have this fancy little water bottle. This is the Healthish water bottle. If I don't drop something in my videos, is it even one of my videos? I don't even know. I really have been loving this water bottle. It has like timestamps for when you are supposed to be drinking water, and there's also a straw in there because I really like my straws, but it's always good to stay hydrated at the pool. You don't realize that you're getting dehydrated when you're swimming in the water and everything, so holler. Next, I have this fancy little hair clip that I got at Target, and I feel like these clips, I've seen them on Instagram, and I feel like they're very trendy, but they're also very useful. I'm not trying to have my hair turn green, so this is like the perfect clip, and it doesn't like pull or tug on your hair. I always love to keep some sort of body spray with me in my pool bag just to kind of freshen up, especially like if you're tanning and get like a little sweaty. And ooh. This is my current favorite. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush. I got this in like a little travel kit, and it smells like pistachio and vanilla, and like it just reminds me of summer and like a very sweet beach scent. Moving on to sun care, I have a few different SPF products that I want to show you. This is the Neutrogena Clear Face. I like to apply this first as like a base coat of sunscreen on my face. I don't tan my face outside in the sun. I love this. It doesn't break me out. And then for reapplying through the day, I have these two. This is the Tarte Set and Protect Mineral Sunscreen and the Color Science Sunforgettable Stick. They are both brush-on sunscreens like this, and they are so easy to apply throughout the day, and they just make sunscreen like enjoyable, and you don't have to reapply your lotion and get all sticky or sandy. This is the Bali Body Watermelon Tanning Oil, and this one has SPF 6. This is actually a tanning oil for like very experienced tanners, which is not me because I'm very pale naturally and burn so easily. But you guys, this smells so good. This is like a little bit excessive, and I wouldn't use this every time I go to the beach or pool. It's kind of unnecessary, but this is the Bali Body Bronzing Lotion, and this is basically a super dark, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a super dark bronzer that you put on your body, and it doesn't provide like a lot of like full coverage, but it kind of reminds me of like a body makeup. It just makes you look so tan, evens out your skin tone. It's beautiful. If you're going to the beach or the pool and like taking pictures or something, this is like a really cool necessity to have. It just makes you look so good. It's unreal. I'm obsessed with this. I have my trusty dusty AirPods for listening to podcasts or music. Okay, there's only one in here. Tight. For listening to music or podcasts or whatever. This is the Santro Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Face Water. I am obsessed with this. Okay, this is my favorite self-tanner of all, my favorite face self-tanner of all time. You definitely don't want to put this on if you're going to get wet, if you're going to like go underwater or anything, but I do like to keep this around for a little bit of extra glow. As far as makeup, the only things that I really bring with me are these two products here. This is the Cherry Blossom Babe from Nudestix. It is a sort of all over face color. It's my favorite little cheeky color. And then this is the Nudies Hey Honey. This kind of goes along with like if you're taking pictures or something. This is like a highlighter glow stick, but I really like this on my body as well, like if you want to hit your little collarbones there. Let me know what your pool or beach day essential is down below, and I will see you guys next time.